up, y'all? It's your girl Kyia. Welcome to Kya's Complicated Life. We are back with another video. So today I'm going to start. Excuse my wrinkled shirt, y'all. It's very wrinkled. But today I am going to start cooking with Kyia. I'm starting a series called Cooking with Kyia. Today, I got the stuff out over there. I am making lasagna soup. This is the first time I'm making it, so I'm gonna make it with you guys. But yeah, we're just gonna wing it. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. I'm not gonna do too much talking today. We are just strictly cooking. So, let's get into this video. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna start by showing y'all what I'm using. So I got my Italian sausage. I'm actually very mad about my Italian sausage though, because I ordered it from Walmart, and I don't know if y'all know, but at Walmart, when you order groceries, they don't ask you for like the substitution. Like, they don't ask you like, is it okay if we substitute it for this? Like, they don't ask, they just do it. So this is gluten-free Italian sausage, but we gonna see what it's working with. And then I got some minced garlic. I don't like cutting up garlic, it's doing too much. I got some Parmesan, mozzarella. I got some heavy whipping cream, some beef broth, some ricotta cheese, of course, some diced tomatoes. My marinara sauce is Prego. And then I have, for my seasonings, I got some garlic powder, onion powder. I don't know if I'm gonna use the onion powder yet, but I got it out. I got some Italian seasoning, some oregano seasoning, Caesar salt, of course. And then I got some basil leaves that I'm gonna use also. I haven't decided if I want to use this better than bouillon beef thing yet, but lastly, we have our lasagna noodles. These are the ones that I'm using. And then I'm also gonna make some red lobster biscuits. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, my salt and pepper is already on the stove along with my oil. So I'm gonna put some oil in the bottom of the pot. So I'm gonna let that get hot and be back with y'all. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, I got the Italian sausage all browned. It's a little extra grease in here, but I'm gonna just leave it. I'm gonna put just leave the extra grease, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the Prego in. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the seasonings. Here's the garlic powder. I don't measure anything. I just put it in. I think I am gonna do a little bit of onion powder. A little bit of seasoning salt. And I did season the Italian sausage with salt and pepper. Y'all didn't see that part. I'm gonna put some oregano. This never wants to come out. Italian. Italian oregano. I don't know if I showed those. I'm gonna stir this. Okay, put diced tomatoes. Now I'm also going to go ahead and put in the beef broth. So I don't know if y'all parents, grandparents, or whatever ever taught y'all to put water inside of the sauce thing to get the rest of the sauce out. Once this lighting is terrible. So once that is, you know, simmered and everything, I am going to taste it for one to see if I need to add any more seasonings. And then I'm going to add the I don't know, I need to go back and look at the recipe. And then I'm also going to make the ricotta cheese mixture or whatever. And lastly, I'm gonna make the red lobster biscuits. I'm gonna do those last. So I will be back with y'all when it's time to add something else. All right, y'all, so I looked it up. I looked at the recipe, and so that is supposed to cook for, actually needs to turn it up a little bit. Okay, so that's supposed to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, and I'm supposed to put the noodles in, and that's supposed to cook for 8 to 10 minutes, and then put the heavy whipping cream. So that's what I'm waiting for, you know, the 8 to 10 minutes. So in a few minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and put the noodles in, but right now, I'm gonna go ahead and make the ricotta cheese mixture. So this is what we need. About, you know, it said about 16 ounces. This is 15, so it's gonna have to do. And then the Parmesan, mozzarella, and then I'm gonna season it with pepper. I need to refill that. Seasoned salt, Italian, and then I'll probably put some parsley in it from over there. But yeah, so let's go ahead and make this. Y'all, I don't measure nothing. I'm gonna actually chop this up a little bit. I'm using this little container because I want to, because I'm not going to put all of it inside of the lasagna. I'm going to leave like a little bit to be able to put on top of like your own serving. So I'm going to leave it in this container to put in the refrigerator. Okay, so I'm going to season it first. Put a little bit more Italian. And some more seasoning salt. All right, you guys, so now I'm gonna put the noodles in. I'm using a whole box. I've been cooking so much food just for myself. And then I'll be throwing it away half the time because I don't be liking leftovers. Now that we have those in, we're going to cover it. And we're going to let that cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. And then I'm going to add the heavy whipping cream. And I'm about to make the biscuits. I'm about to cut my finger off. do that off camera because that's really nothing. This I'm gonna go ahead and cover. Okay, I'm gonna add some of this to the lasagna, but like I said, I'm gonna leave some out. So I'm going to try something new with these, and I'm gonna put them in a muffin tin and see how they turn out as muffins. All right, this is what it's looking like, y'all. I done made a mess. Just sauce all over the freaking stove. But this is the finish, the final of the lasagna soup. I think I did a pretty good job for the first time. All right, so here are the Red Lobster biscuits slash muffins. That's what it looks like. Ooh. Falling apart. I gotta put the butter on it, and then here is my lasagna soup. So let's try to use all the butter. This is the first time I've made them like as muffins though. But I wanted to put the butter on before I took them out so it could like soak it all up, you know. All right, so here is the finishing, I don't even know what to call it, the finishing product. Yeah, it looks amazing. I already tasted it. It's very good. So all right, y'all, so yes, I still have my Christmas tree up. Don't come for me. But this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the first episode of Cooking with Kyia. Next episode I will have an apron. But yeah, this is Kyia's Complicated Life. Please go ahead and like this video. Please subscribe if you are not, and go ahead and hit that notification bell as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment down below any recipes y'all would like to see. But other than that, it's your girl Kyia, and I will see y'all for the next video.